Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So recently my daughter went out of town to visit family, and while she was eating dinner at a Cracker Barrel, she sent me a photograph, and as you can see, it's got my name on it, and her name for that matter, but since it said Mall Tools, she thought I'd really appreciate seeing it. I told her, hey, don't let anybody see you, take it off the wall. I was kidding, of course, but anyway, she knew that I liked it and whatnot. And what she did do is later she went onto eBay, unbeknownst to me, and found something else with Mall Tool on it and ordered it for my birthday as an early birthday present. She spent too much money on it, but I'm really glad to have it, and it's kind of cool. It's this box, and as you can see, I think it's a box for like a circular saw or something. If you look on the inside, whoops, I think it's just for a circular saw to go in. Anyway, that's really cool, and I'm glad to have it. And of course, then I started digging around on the internet to see what I could find about Mall Tools. It turns out that I wrote some notes down here. It turns out that Mall Tool Company was founded in 1921 by a man named Arthur W. Mall. They started out in Milwaukee and then they moved to Chicago. It said that they made power drills, circular saws, chainsaws, and other handheld products. One of the things that I saw on the internet was a retractable cable. I don't know what it would be used for, but it was really cool, and I thought, oh, I want that. I'd love to restore that. I could just, see how I would do it and everything, but it was $75 plus shipping, so that's kind of out of my price range. One interesting fact that I found, it said in World War II, Mall power saws were used extensively in the Pacific Islands to cut down the trees when they were going to make an airstrip on one of the islands. So that's interesting. But in 1956, the company got sold to Remington Firearms. They created a tool division out of it. And I don't actually know if Remington is still making tools to this day, but I did find their location is on Google Street View in Chicago. You can see their old abandoned building with the name, embedded into the concrete and everything. So it was pretty interesting, and I'm really thrilled to have this toolbox. One of the things that I wanted to ask my viewers is I don't know if I should restore it or not. I kind of think I should leave it alone just the way it is. Let me give you a closer look at it, and then you can kind of see, the kind of shape it's in. So as you can see, it's I guess it's in mediocre shape. I certainly could think of reasons to keep it the way it is, and I could also think of reasons to restore it. I guess my big trepidation about restoring it is if I screw it all up, then I'll be really, really mad at myself. And another reason not to do it is, if I'm going to restore it, that means I'm going to have to strip it all down, and the whole logo basically goes away, and I'm repainting the logo, and then what's the point, So, but it would look really cool, and it would be a fun project to try to work on. So I just don't know. Let me know what you think. I really appreciate it. So anyway, that's it for this time. I appreciate you watching. Thanks very much. See you next time. Bye.